Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to make SKL videos. Like, is it like term to I'm graduate from Aida and Boarding School Sentul, and oh yeah, my name is Raifan Ahmad Suditomo, and my grade is 11th grade RPL class. And my dorm is Granada. So if you heard like water, yeah, this is I'm from Sebentul, and this is river. So sorry if my voice not clearly. So my SKL videos is like I must make storytelling, and the title is Discovering a Hidden Talent. So for any further ado, let's make the videos. So it was a crisp autumn morning when Emma, a quiet, introspective teenager, found herself alone in the attic of her grandparents' old house. The attic was a treasure trove of forgotten memories, dusty photo albums, ancient books, and old trunks filled with clothes that hadn't seen the light of day in decades. The house, nestled on the outskirts of a small town, had always been a place, a wonder for her. But today, it felt different. Today, she was on a mission. Emma's grandmother had passed away the previous winter, leaving behind a lifetime of stories of secret. One of the secrets her mother had hinted was hidden somewhere in the attic. Curious and a bit apprehensive, Emma decided to explore, hoping to uncover something that would connect her to the grandmother she had loved too dearly. After rummaging through boxes and sifting through old letters, Emma's hand brushed against a small, ornate chest buried under a pile of blankets. The chest was made of dark wood, intricately carved with delicate attendants that seemed to dance in the dim light. She carefully lifted the lid, revealing an assortment of sketchbook, purple pencil, and a set of watercolors. The sign of the art supplies surprised her. She had never known her grandmother to be an artist. Intrigued, Emma pulled out one of the sketchbook and flipped through its pages. Each page revealed stunning drawings of landscape, portrait, and everyday object, all rendered with a skill and sensitivity that took Emma's breath away. As she studied the sketch, she noticed a few unfinished pieces and some notes scribbled in the margins, as if her grandmother had been working on the up until her final day. Without realizing it, Emma felt a deep connection to the drawings. She had always enjoyed art, but had never considered herself particularly talented. She would doodle in the margins of her notebooks at school, but it was nothing serious. But now, Looking at her grandmother's work, she felt something stir inside her, a desire to pick up where her grandmother had off. Over the next few weeks, Emma found herself returning to the Arctic more and more frequently. She began experimenting with the color waters and pencil, trying to emulate the style she saw in her mother's sketch. At first, her attempts were clumsy, and she grew frustrated with her lack of skill. But with each passing day, her confidence grew. She started to notice improvements. Her lines became more confident, her colors more vibrant. As continued to practice, Emma realized that she had entered more than just her grandmother's art supplies. She had entered her talent, though it was a talent that had been lying dormant with her waiting to be discovered. Emma's newfound passion for art soon became an integral part of her life. She spent hours each day sketching and painting, losing herself in the creative process. Her schoolwork and social began to revolve around her art, and her teachers noticed her talents, encouraging her to pursue it further. One day, while Emma was working on the particularly challenging pieces, her mother walked into the attic. She saw Emma hunched over the desk, completely absorbed in her work, and smiled. "You remind me so much of her," her mother said softly. Emma looked up, surprised. "You knew about this?" She asked, discovering to the sketch and painting scattered around the room. Her mother nodded. I did. Your grandmother was an incredible artist, but she never shared her talent with many people. She was shy about it, just like you. But I think she always hoped that one day someone will discover her passion and continue it. Tears rolled up in Emma's eyes as she realized the depth of the gift she had been given. Not only had she discovered her own hidden talent, but she had also found a way to keep her grandmother's memories alive. Through her art, she felt connected to her in a way she never had before. From that one, Emma made a promise to herself. She would not let her talent go to waste. She would continue to draw and paint, to explore the world of art that her grandmother had loved so much. And in doing so, she would honor her grandmother's legacy and create a legacy of her own. And so, in that old attic filled with memories, Emma discovered not only a hidden talents but also a pieces of herself she had never known existed. So, you saw from conclusion this storytelling, like you must increase your talent, and you don't to be shy to show off your talents. So that's all for me. Sorry if I got a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.